Do you guys want to see something really cool? It's like a magic trick with chrome. Water, aluminum foil, regular old aluminum foil, folded up to create like a little sanding pad. And you just take it and you wipe it on the chrome pieces that have a little bit of rust. And it goes away like magic. How cool is that? The little trick my dad taught me. I'm sure he didn't come up with it on his own. I'm sure it's a trick from way back. Awesome. Nothing more than aluminum foil and water. And if you guys want to see the full video where I restored the mid-century modern bar cart that these legs go to, then check out my next video coming out later on today. I will be taking a 3-tiered Stylair from Costco mid-century modern bar, mini bar, all rusty and nasty, and turning it into something cool, new, sleek, and fun. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the Girl-Reinventing channel for more fun projects. I usually pop out a video about once a week, maybe a little bit longer than that, but I'm always working in the basement and always getting into some sort of fun trouble with my cats and my dog Lucky and my kids. So if you are having fun with me, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.